schedule messages on Captivated. So for that you have to open your Captivated account, and after logging to Captivated, I hope you might be having logins. If not, you can ask for that. So once you have you are in Captivated, you will go to the window which will open in front of you will be something like this. So once you have been here, you will go to contacts, and in the contacts, when you go in the search bar, you have to like put the name of the owner contact for whom you want to schedule a message. So here I am just giving you a test, so I will be choosing my name. So I will write my name here in the contacts, or you will write the name of the primary contact to whom you want to get in touch. So once you will write the name, you will have all the available options with you. So I will select here my name. Once this is done, you will see this a window here. You will click new conversations. Now after that, there are certain options again in the drop down here, so you have to select like why you are trying to contact why you are trying to contact the client. So is it regarding active web project, administration, customer service, or what? So here you will be having a marketing option also here. So since you are looking for an FD update, FD access, so you will select the marketing one. I am selecting customer service. So this is done. After this, you have this type of book here. So these are some templates which are already in the system. You have not been assigned any template yet. So once you are done with this training, Kathy ma'am will, I think, help you in getting the right template. I'm just letting you know here how you will select your template once you have the template ready. So let in case you are looking for Facebook access. So I have a few options here. So I just select the in the search bar I wrote some words, and then you will have that options with you. So I have selected Facebook access here. After this, what you will see, this window will open. So you do not have to touch anything here. It will automatically take the name of the primary contact to whom you want to get in touch. You do not have to do anything. You have to just select the right template. Once that is done, you will check now it is okay. So you will hit the button OK. Before clicking on this send button, you will be opening this clock here. Okay, so now you can see it is 11:22 a.m. for us. For me it is 11:22 a.m. So I have to schedule them. The client should receive their morning. So when my evening will be there will be morning for them. So I will just click it here. Now I want to select when I have already done the calculation, and I found that when it will be 7 p.m. for me, at that time I will be having they will be having morning. So I have selected here, sorry, you will select PM. Okay, 1 minute. You will select PM here, and like whatever the time, okay, like this way. Now you will hit the button schedule. So when I will be having my time 7 p.m. here, it will be morning in America, and the client will receive message on this schedule time. You will hit the button schedule and just leave it. So once you have done that, you will see one message is scheduled. And if you want to delete it, if you think that you have done the wrong, then what you can do, you can just delete it also. So this is it. So this message has been scheduled, and you do not have to check, or you do not have to do anything. You can just leave it as it is, and on the scheduled time the client will receive the message. Now how you have to check the whether your client has replied it or not? You will go to the conversation window. Okay, so when in the drop down you have everyone's conversation. If you will click everyone's conversation, here you can see the conversation done by or any of the team members. You can see all the conversation here, but if you want to see that the client has replied to your message or not, you will just go to my conversation. When you will hit the my conversation, so you will have all the conversation replies or whatever from the client to whom you have contacted. Okay, so these are the chats what I have done with the client. They are not from all the company. So if you will hit everyone's, you will have the communication done by everyone in the team. So this is how we use Captivated and schedule message on Captivated. If you have any questions, you want me to take your another session, you can just let me know, Benita. I will take it and we can do one together. So just you have to let me know. Okay, thank you.